'Cause I'm slowly breaking down, even when I hold you close. Oh, and if I lose you, I'm afraid I would lose who I gave.
Hi, sunshine. Good morning. I can't open a vlog.
Good morning, guys. So today is Wednesday and we are getting ready to head out of this house. My son has a procedure today at 11 a.m. It is now 9:30. No, it's 9:20. It's 9:20. And my husband is here and he's driving and I have to find something to do. Yesterday we went to the park and we cooked out and it was fun. It was fun. My husband brought the generator. He hooked up the rice cooker. We cooked rice for no reason because we didn't eat the rice.
Yes,
because we ended up eating burger. No, we ate the rice for dinner. We ended up eating burgers and so yeah, my husband is extra like that.
Really? Really, Maddie? Really, Maddie? You
Maddie.
Really?
Maddie, put the remote down, baby.
Maddie, really? The dirtiest thing in the house, the remote. And you want to put it in your mouth. Let's rock and roll.
You ready to go?
Jaxson.
Dirty gal.
What? Who you calling dirty gal?
Dirty gal. Hey, dirty gal, mommy.
Who you calling dirty gal? Get up.
Hey, dirty gal, mommy. Take your precious thing. Take your precious daughter.
You put her in her car seat. Eliana, seriously?
I brushed my teeth in the morning.
Say hi, Jaxson. Why are you crying?
Maddie, why are you sitting on his head?
Jaxson. Here, come here. Yeah, get up.
Oh my God. You just sit on the remote and just... Don't have my scooter. No, it's not.
Honey, where are you going?
Yes,
Let's go.
it is.
Put the baby in the car seat. I'm not playing.
No, Jaxson.
Why's your socks so high like you're a kindergarten?
He is a kid.
So I just finished with Jason's procedure, and now we're just out here having the kids ride on their bikes. Well, just a bike. Destiny's riding her bike and the boys are on their scooter. So we're just gonna chill out here for another 15 minutes, let them burn out some energy, and then we might go to my in-laws house to go get some food and put on the grill, or we might just end up back at our house because my husband hates to be home when he's not working. He hates being in the house. It's like he feels, you know, worthless being in the house. And the other day he was like, I feel like a bum because I don't have a job. I'm like, don't say it that way. Just look at it. Just look at it as a transition period. You know, like you're in transition. It's not like, you know, you're this worthless person that sit at home and don't do anything. So he has a couple interviews tomorrow, which is Thursday, and some other more on Monday, Tuesday. So we shall see which one is the right fit. And that's one of the reasons why it's good to have savings, because you can play around with, you know, you can transition. If you don't like your job, you can always transition, you know.
Once he learns a little bit.
Once he gets back into working, I'm like really desperate to save up back our emergency savings and our savings and all of that, so that we can be back to normal again. Hi, Maddie. You were crying, weren't you? Aw, the baby was crying. I left her with Daddy. I left her with her dad while Jason and I went to go to his thing. So we're about almost done with Jason. He has six more months. I have to go back, and
Good job.
So I'll keep you guys updated. Anyways, I'm gonna
job.
go. All right, come on, baby, come on. Daddy took her her training wheels off, so. You got it, Destiny. Good job, Destiny.
It's hard because I got the hill.
Get it, Mama. Come on, you can do it. All right, do it for us. Do it for the camera. Do it for the camera. Use your brakes. Use your brakes. Pedal backwards, that's your brake.
Use your brakes, you gotta go backwards. Use your brakes!
The big bad beast. Gia, what are you doing? What are you doing? Why are you in there? Huh? Why are you in there? You're not gonna come out and play? It's hot? Hot lava, hot lava, hot lava. Woo, hot lava. Go, Daddy.
I just step on hot lava.
Hey, pretty girl. Maddie, you chilling with Daddy? Can you guys get out the truck and go play? Maddie.
Daddy.
Did they give him anesthesia?
No. Maddie.
Yeah.
Maddie.
Yes, Jackson.
This is just being mean to me.
Why?
Good. He's just wanting to stay.
Oh my
Take that
word.
off. Fold it up and get out the car. Fold it up and get out.
These kids are so bored. This is modern day problems. Like when I was
Hold it up and
growing
get
up,
out. What?
I had no technology. I had to go invent something to play with. I didn't even
Really? I
have
would play outside
dolls.
all
I
day
had
at
to
the park.
I had to make my own dolls.
Get out the truck.
Now these kids are talking about they're bored and they have stuff to play with. Like what?
Yeah.
That's the problem when your kids have too much.
Too much.
Way too much. I'm gonna trash everything y'all own
Let's see how
and
fun
see
that
how
is.
fun that is. Y'all problem
Actually, I know
these
what they'd
days.
rather be doing.
What? On the tablet?
In the AC and the tablet or playing video games.
That's gonna
Instead
stop.
of playing outside.
Y'all gonna learn how to play and be creative and invent new things.
I love playing outside.
Cause being on tablets
Video games?
and whose
My
phone
par-
is that? Somebody. Oh, Brittany just sent me a message.
My parents, we didn't have money to get video games.
No.
The only video game I ever had was a PlayStation, the first one. And I think I had like 3 games. And that's it.
You had way more than I did.
A PlayStation. And it was bought like years
My dad
after
thought.
it even came out. But it was still, that's it. But I didn't play, I wasn't allowed to play
My dad
for
thought.
hours and hours and hours. No, I'd
My
rather
dad
be outside
thought-
at the pool, hanging out with my friends.
My dad thought having dolls were worshiping idols. So if
What are you doing?
I'm
Jackson.
trying to figure out what Jackson
Jackson,
over here
get out of the
doing.
Jason, get out the truck.
He's like wanting to be on me and I'm like hot
Yeah,
and they're sticky and I'm sticky and I'm like,
I'll play outside.
when we get home, buddy, we'll cuddle, but not right now. He's just cranky because he doesn't have his tablet. He's like having a withdrawal.
But you know, this it wasn't until like 2 weeks ago that I was being very lenient. Like I was just like, okay, whatever. Because I was strict on the tablet, which was only Friday. And Saturday after Sabbath and Sunday. And then Monday, no tablet until Friday. It wasn't until they went on vacation that they started using it every day. And I started not to say anything. Because I was like, okay, whatever, they're entertained, but I'm seeing the problem now.
Yeah. Because now Jaxson is like extremely cranky.
Yeah.
And it's because he's not on his tablet.
Right.
And I'm trying to, we're trying to break that out of him because he doesn't need to be on technology. He's 5 years old. So now he's all cranky. He don't want to play. He don't want to do anything.
He don't even want to
try. As soon as anybody say anything to him, he gets mad and he wants to complain and whine and just because he can't be on his tablet. And I'm like, boy, you're 5 years old. I can outlast whatever it is that you're trying to put up here. Because he wants us to say, okay, you're cranky. Here's the tablet. You know, so we can soothe him or no, it ain't going to happen. But like I was saying, Maddie, say hi. Say what's up, guys.
Say hi, people. Say hi, people.
She's like, get that camera out of my face.
Jaxson, what's up? Jack.
Jack wants to sulk.
What's up, Jack?
Mr. Sulky.
You hot?
He looks hot. We're gonna move in a minute, but
you having a heat stroke?
It's so common to sit. Just to sit. And then Destiny's practicing to ride her bike, and she's like,
bike. She loves it.
She's like getting really good. Let me show you guys.
Show them. That's why I haven't left yet, because she's mastering it.
So little Missy is back there. She's right there.
I want her to get all that out of her system.
Oh.
So we go riding. She knows how to ride.
Hold her. Hold her.
She's not scared.
Poor baby girl. She's getting practice, and we just took the training wheels off this morning.
And she just got on the road.
She got on and she just rode her bike, and the boys, it took forever for them to learn. Forever. So she's a faster learner than our boys, but she got it.
Maddie, what? He's weird.
So we got an email saying that we had to register. We had to come to school to register new kids or something. But when we went over there just now, they're like, no, it's only for new students. Because I know in DC, you have to register your kids every year. And if you don't, they don't have a place to, they don't have school. Something to that effect. So I thought that Maryland started doing that. But we went over there. She was like, no. They should have been more clear about the phone call and the email. So we just wasted 10 minutes. And I wanted to know who the children's teachers were. But she was like, well, the principal said not to tell anyone anything anymore. Lie. Because one of my friends told me who her son's teacher is. But I didn't push it. I was like, the only reason why I'm asking is because I want to request for a specific teacher for Jaxson for kindergarten, because she had my kids. She had the twins for pre-K, and then she had Destiny for kindergarten, and now I want her for Jaxson for kindergarten, because when she had the boys for kindergarten, I was pregnant with, when she had the boys for pre-K, I was pregnant with Jaxson. So it would be kind of cool to have all the Albernoz's children be taught by the same teacher for pre-K and kindergarten. But anyways, whatever. Just kind of, you know, picky. But she was like, email the principal and request, even though she's the one placing them. Lazy people, man, they don't like to do their job. Anyways, we're at the library and we're about to take the kids in after they finish scarfing down that Little Caesars pizza. $5 for a box of pizza to feed all of them, not bad. not bad if you ask me. Because if I was to take them to McDonald's and get them a Happy Meal, it would have been like $12 for all four. Versus $5 for a box of pizza, and they go drink water. We're good to go. So we're gonna go into this library over here and get them some books and something, or have them read and then come out. I'm not checking out any books. They're just gonna go.
Yeah, just gonna chill out.
Go find a corner and read and do something productive with themselves. Boy, is our pizza good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jason wants bacon.
I'll see you guys in there. What do you have? What's the book?
Cat book.
A cat book. Oh, cats. Gonna read about cats? One more page. One more page, buddy.
42.
One more page.
42.
Who hides in the dark? My cat. I'll be back, okay? What do you have?
Leave me alone.
Leave me alone. By who?
By
Vera.
Vera Roscoe.
Good job.
You have to read this first, Mommy, to tell you what it's about.
It's all about.
Once there was an old woman. She lived in
Sweet
a
girl.
small
It's tired.
village in a small.
She's tired. Where's Jordan?
Very big family.
Oh, in the corner.
What do you have?
Comic book.
A comic book?
I found 2 of them.
You found 2. Good job. Where's Jordan?
He's getting another book.
Another book. Okay.
Oh, they have computers here too, Mommy. Mommy, Jaxson.
I got it. Maddie. Maddie. She's like not having it. Maddie.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Maddie. What are you reading? What are you reading?
15 or 14.
This chair stinks.
I know.
This chair stinks.
Chairs?
Mm-hmm.
You think it's the chairs?
They hold the funk. Maddie. How you reading, baby?
Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10, number 19, number 4, number
Jaxson, put her down. Put her down.
a vacuum cleaner.
Madison.
Yeah, the book. One book.